Hello and welcome or welcome back. It's Lori with Giggle Girl Art. I've been away for a while. I had a lot of stuff going on in my life through March and then April, and now it's halfway through May. So I'll have some update videos, any video series that aren't finished yet, I'll be putting those up. But I'm getting ready to start a new project. I'm on the design team for Cara Brandon Creations' newer digital kit called Nature's Palette. It's a beautiful kit and I want to share it with you. So this will just be a quick video of a flip through if you haven't seen it yet. And if you're not familiar with Cara, I'll also have a link to her YouTube channel. And then you can find all the rest of her social media that way. So here we go. That's what she did, is some paint swatches on some old ledger paper and scanned it, and then she also added in some digital images and she explains it all. But I just love all the colors, and having done fine arts myself in the past and my own paint swatches, I am just in love with this kit. Cara loves rainbows and I do too. Sometimes I really have a hard time picking my favorite color, and my favorite color is often changing with my mood. So here in this junk journal kit, we've got side-by-side pages, and I'm in love with this. I just love all these colors. So I'm going to do a quick flip through, and I love how she's incorporated all of, these antique papers and images and put them all together. So now we're getting into some collage pages, and some of them are just like the backgrounds, and then some have the images added. I love birds and florals. And she's got some pockets here, some journaling cards, more journaling cards. I mean, you can use these for other things besides journaling cards. There's lots of potential. Some beautiful tags and labels. And she's got the tags in different sizes. And mini tags and more journaling cards or types of ephemera. And then these fussy cut items that you can fussy cut out if you'd like. So that is the kit. And then what I've decided to do is work on an altered book. I got this book a while back, and I have a haul video where I got it. So I'll put an iCard up there and also a link down in the description box. And hopefully, if you'd like, you can follow along and work with the kit and do your own altered journal. Or if you want, you can just watch the process. So make sure you come back, and I will see you next time.